lovely viewers, you are welcome to English Lessons Online. In today's lesson, we shall be discussing Wassce Oral English Test 5. Please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Tips for Test 5. Test 5 is about rhyming scheme. In Test 5, the word you will hear does not appear on your word list. That word only rhymes with one of the words on the list. Choose the word that has the same medial and final sounds with the word pronounced by the speaker. Here is an example. The speaker may pronounce the word rent, but in the options you may have the following: set, sketch, scent, pet. Can you guess the correct answer? The correct answer is scent because it has the same medial and final sounds with the word rent. Here is another example. The speaker may pronounce the word dine, but in the options you may have line, sing, same, yen. The correct answer is line because it has the same medial and final sound with the word dine. Now get ready to answer the rest of Test 5.
Test 5. In this test, the word you will hear on the tape does not appear on your word list. This word only rhymes with one of the words on the list. Example 1. Listen to this word, pet. Which one of the 4 words in example 1 rhymes with pet? The correct word is set. The other words do not rhyme with pet. The letter written against set is C, and this is recorded by shading answer space C against number 1. Example 2. Listen to this word, sing. Which one of the 4 words in example 2 rhymes with sing? The correct word is wing. The other words do not rhyme with sing. The letter written against wing is D, and this is recorded by shading answer space D against number 2. Now, get ready to answer the rest of Test 5 on your answer sheet. Start at number 35. Number 35, belie. Number 36, flasks. Number 37, reprimand. Number 38, goals. Number 39, dirt. Number 40, leered. Number 41, button. Number 42, break.
This brings us to the end of today's lesson. Please remember to subscribe, like the video, and share it so that others can also benefit from it. Thank you.